Welcome to another how-to video. My name is Ditech, CTO at DVS. Don't forget to like and then subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified of when any content goes live. Don't forget to make any suggestions, comments, shares, likes, whatever. Keep them coming. It's very, very much appreciated. Thanks for all your time and your feedback. We really, really appreciate that you take your time out of your day to follow us and to watch us and to learn more ultimately. We're going to do a short video. The suggestion came from Mark at Blue Boy IT. We're going to do a very, very short video on how to do the linkage action from an alarm input from one camera to trigger a preset on a PTZ, or a VCA smart activation to trigger a preset on another camera. We're going to web browse into my deep learning recorder, show you that quick linkage setup and how easy it is, so you can keep doing it on your own side. So keep watching, keep paying attention, and we'll see you in 2 seconds. Thank you. Welcome to another how-to video. I'm Dave Davis, CTO at DVS, and today we're going to take a quick look how to set an alarm up when it's an alarm input from a camera that's connected to the system, or a line cross intrusion VCA detection that's connected to another camera that triggers a preset on a PTZ. Thanks for this suggestion from Mark from Blue Boy IT. Really, really appreciate it. It's one we get asked quite a few times, so this video should prove handy for quite a few of you. So moving on, it's very, very simple to do. We're going to web browse into my recorder, which I've done. So we're going to show you how to set up a line cross on this static camera that's outside the door, because that means I don't have to walk too far to trigger it. There we go. And this PTZ. So where's my PTZ? There it is there. Wait for that to catch up. So what we will do is move this PTZ around. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, so through the web browser everything seems to take for ages, so we'll set that as preset 4. There we go. So I'll save this preset 4. Right, we're going to stop the view on this. Go into configuration. So two things you can do. Under basic event, if we go to alarm input, you've got your alarm inputs A1 to A16. They're the ones physically on the back of the NVR that we're currently using. Now you may have the IO expander, so that may show up to 32, but we haven't got the alarm expander on here. These IP addresses are actually the alarm inputs, the digital inputs on the back of the IP cameras that are connected to our system. So I could, in theory, choose an input off an IP camera, enable it, choose a schedule, give it a name, change the alarm type, normally open, normally close, and then the linkage method would be whatever you require it to be, and then the PTZ linkage, you choose the PTZ linkage, choose the preset, etc., and then your job done. We're going to do it. I don't have an alarm input connected to a static camera, so we're going to show it to you for a VCA, but most people do it through VCA anyway. So we're going to go to Smart Event. We're going to choose our camera. I've already enabled the smart analytics on this recording. We've got a line cross already set up. I use this as my deep learning recorder. So under arm and schedule, make sure it's set for 24/7. Linkage action. So we're going to actually set this for number 4. And then preset 4. Remember, that's the one we saved. So you could trigger a patrol or a pattern. We want it on the VCA trigger to go to preset 4. So that makes sure that's saved again. Go back to live view. Trigger that one on there. Make sure that one is in its home position. Let's call preset 1. Right, okay. I'm going to go and trigger this VCA line crossing, and we should see that spin around. So give me 2 seconds. And there we have the linkage action. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's a nice short one today, but it shows you how complex you can actually build this system. It's a very easy thing to do, something we do get asked. So thanks again for Mark for raising that question. If you've got any more questions, ideas, suggestions, please let us know. And thanks again for all the sharing, commenting, liking, and subscriptions. It's really much appreciated. See you next week. Peace out.